Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Here let's discuss some of the MCQs which will help you in your UPSC preparation. The first question, which of the following is or correct about Attorney General of India? Statement 1, Article 165 of the Indian Constitution provides for the office of Attorney General. Statement 2, remuneration is determined by Parliament. Statement 3, procedure for removal of Attorney General from the office is mentioned in the Constitution. Here we have to find the correct option. Let's see. Article 165 of the Indian Constitution provides for the office of Attorney General. Yes, Article 165 provides for the office of Attorney General. Remuneration is determined by Parliament. No, this statement is wrong. Remuneration is determined by President. Then procedure for removal of Attorney General from the office is mentioned in the Constitution. No, it is not mentioned in the Constitution. So here the option will be D. Okay. Next, which of the following, second question, which of the following is or correct about State Public Service Commission? First statement, the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by, first statement, the chairman and members of State Public Service Commission are appointed by President. Second statement, the chairman and members of State Public Commission hold office for the term of 6 years or until the age of 65 years. Third statement, they can be removed by President in the same manner as he can remove a chairman or member of Union Public Service Commission. Here choose the correct answer. Okay, let's see. The chairman and members of State Public Commission are appointed by President. No, they are appointed by Governor. Okay, the chairman and members of State Public Service Commission hold office for a term of 6 years or until the age of 65. Here it is 6 years correct, and but not 65, it is 62 years. They can be removed by President in the same manner as he can remove a chairman or member of UPSC. Yes, statement 3 is correct. They are appointed by Governor and removed by President. Okay, the option is 3 only. Sorry, one second. Okay, the option is 3 only. Okay, here there is some mistake. Okay, fine, not an issue. The option is 3. The only statement 3 is correct. What is Malathion? This Malathion was recently in the news, especially in the yesterday's PIB. Okay, see, let's see what it is. Option A, polymer. Option B, herbicide. Option C, organophosphate insecticide. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is organophosphate insecticide. Next question, that is fourth one. Consider the following statement regarding HIL Limited. See, just Google it and see what is HIL because it was recently in the news. First statement, it is a PSU under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. The statement 2, it recently signed an agreement with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for the supply of Malathion. Okay, the same question which was in the previous. It means regarding the same topic. Malathion, assistant to Rajasthan and Gujarat for locust control program. Okay, here also we need to choose the correct option. It is a PSU under Ministry of Consumer Affairs. No, it doesn't. It's a PSU, correct, but it is not under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, but it is under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer. Then it it recently signed agreement with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for the technical assistance, means the supply of Malathion for the locust control program in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, so the option is A, 2 only. Okay friends, these are the questions for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see tomorrow with some new questions. Thank you so much.